How to pick a sweet watermelon every time. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that is enjoyed around the world. It belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae, which includes other fruits such as cantaloupe, honeydew, and cucumber. The watermelon is thought to have originated in Africa and has been cultivated for thousands of years. Watermelons are large, oblong fruits that can weigh anywhere from a few pounds to over 50 pounds. They have a hard, green rind that is often striped or mottled, and a juicy, sweet flesh inside that ranges in color from pink to red. The flesh is filled with water and contains vitamins A and C, as well as potassium. Watermelons are a popular summertime treat and are often eaten sliced, cubed, or in fruit salads. They can also be blended into refreshing drinks, such as watermelon juice or smoothies. In addition to being delicious, watermelons are also low in calories and high in hydration, making them an excellent choice for those looking for a healthy snack or beverage option. Choosing a sweet watermelon can be a bit of a challenge, but there are several key factors to consider that can help you make the best selection. Here are some tips to help you choose a sweet watermelon. 1. Look for a uniform shape. A watermelon that is evenly shaped has a higher chance of being evenly ripened. If a watermelon has lumps or uneven surfaces, it may have had inconsistent water and nutrient supply while growing, leading to uneven ripening. Choosing a symmetrical watermelon also means that it has grown in ideal conditions, making it more likely to be sweet and juicy. 2. Check the field spot. The field spot is the area of the watermelon that was resting on the ground while it was growing. The color of the field spot can indicate the ripeness of the watermelon. If the field spot is white or green, the watermelon may not be ripe yet. If the field spot is a creamy yellow or orange, it indicates that the watermelon is ripe and ready to eat. 3. Tap it. When you tap on the watermelon, you're listening for a hollow sound. A ripe watermelon will have a hollow sound because the flesh inside is soft and juicy. If the sound is flat or dull, it may mean that the watermelon is not ripe yet or it is overripe and not as sweet. 4. Check the weight. A heavy watermelon is an indication that it is full of water and has reached its peak ripeness. If the watermelon feels light for its size, it may not be ripe yet or may have been picked too early. A ripe watermelon should feel dense and heavy when you pick it up. 5. Look for sugar spots. Sugar spots are caramelized areas on the skin of the watermelon where sugar has started to seep out. These spots indicate that the watermelon is ripe and sweet. You can identify sugar spots by looking for darkened, rough areas on the skin. By considering these factors, you can increase your chances of picking a sweet and ripe watermelon every time. Remember, the most important factor in determining the sweetness of a watermelon is the ripeness of the fruit, so look for a watermelon that has ripened fully on the vine and has been harvested at the right time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.